show me where my damage is on my truck and his car.
I got fucking witnesses, you dumb fuck. Or you
Show
got
me.
fucking understanding.
This is a carbon fiber fucking truck. Cash, this,
Which one you want? Let's go!
We up here at this meet. We walked around. There was some people up here, but it wasn't too much. My cousin, he said he want to go. He from here, but he moved to Cali for like damn near his whole life. So he ain't been to a car meet since he came back. So he trying to get to see one or whatever. I don't know.
This ain't like a good first one.
Yeah, I told him I'm gonna show him or tell him where we are whenever we get to the next spot or whatever location we going in. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Just getting this content, y'all. I got a DJ in the cut. Catch y'all outside the whip, man. Oh shit, that's where we need to go, to the old ass SRTAs. You want to? Getting our footage. See this shit. Huh? Oh, running, bro. Okay. They tell me you want to run with them. Oh, nice. Orange and yellow Starburst, bro. What year is this? Like, it's from like 06 to like 08 or 09 or it's to 10, bro. I don't know the exact year. I know it's from like 2007 up to 10 is the years they made them. Super nice. This might look crispy right now. Hopefully it look like this when I'm editing. Bro, he not even leaving, bro.
You tell him to.
Nigga, would you ever get a bite? They about to dip away. Rice on there.
Still got the hood up over there. Trying to get that too.
Okay, my guy DJ helping me get that content. Okay.
Content creator, man.
Man, these BMWs. I want to race a BMW, bro, and I want to race a RT tonight.
Quick as fuck. They're quick.
I know, bro. I drove one, this 4-door one, bro, and that mug was getting through there. Oh, this is a Cobra.
Nice little shield right here.
Look at that supercharger.
Nice.
It's hard. I wouldn't mind being in one of these right now.
I don't know if this is a 350 or what. I think it's.
I don't know what they were in this year.
I think this is a 350.
They got a supercharger on there.
The 350 though, and the 500 got supercharger.
I thought the 350 was just all natural aspirated engines. They just like 500 some horses, I think. Yeah. Bro, how I know more about Ford than you, bro?
I got that bit, man.
Sheesh, where the content? Sheesh. Oh, nasty. Ugh. Bro, you see the orange hitting off of there? Sheesh. Nasty. Damn, it's hard. That one hard though. Damn, he missing something right here on the bottom.
Let's see what they're doing on. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Let me get the mix.
Let's see what's going on. What they doing? What's going on, bro? Somebody got hit. DJ said somebody got hit. Title and thumbnail?
Yeah, somebody got hit.
And fucking do his truck.
And it's in this crowd who's trying to start shit too. Real good.
Around.
Nobody talk. Yeah, he backed right into the truck.
Damn. Hey, you know where they're gonna be racing at? They about to fight? What the hell is going on? Hey, all on camera.
The guy was in the zero, they said it's coming through.
No, you straight.
I'm just trying to get the content, man.
Hey, you should get the. I'll get a light for you, but you can kind of see the damage.
real?
He hit the tailgate.
I didn't think there was damage.
Or we can get insurance. Those are the two options.
Right.
And the third
Fucking
option
pay for it is what I'm saying.
show me where my damage is on my truck in his car.
I got fucking witnesses, you dumb fuck. Are you
Show
not
me.
fucking understanding?
This is a carbon fiber fucking trunk. If I damage that truck, it would be on my trunk. Correct?
You're a fucking idiot, dude.
Right here.
Yeah, look.
Where is the damage on my truck? For me backing into it.
I got the light on, dude. I got the light. Watch out. Settle it the fuck out of the way. Look at this shit right there on that edge. Like, think the fuck. Yeah, that's what it is.
Tiny scratch on the carbon fiber trunk.
Take your video.
Yeah, to a fucking truck.
Yeah, it says the 3 people that watched the fucking happen.
The 3 people.
Yeah. It's 3 against 1.
Old like
Okay, so what that shows the guy right there. Steer a little up here. Yeah. Right there, gap your ass.
You wanna run it?
My fucking son's car will whoop your ass. Line it up there.
Hey, get a few inches on you, big fella.
He said it's his son. It's my son's car. Don't make it your own.
I think.
I know who you are.
Hey, let's do it now. So I'll go do it right now.
My God.
Hey, fire that bitch up, bro. Fucking wrong. Hey, fire that bitch up. Where's that? Right on the cabin.
But why are you out here?
Because I'm fucking telling you.
Imagine trying to race a pickup after hitting it, bro. Are you serious? You're in a 2,000-pound car. And he's got to get the money to pay for the damages. I don't believe that. He's probably got fucking 530 credit score with that fucking car. Bro, if I were you, I'd just get the lawnmower. This is stupid as fuck.
Boy, if you don't
Nick, come
One tiny light.
Why you can see the scratch on the car?
We need to make like a tunnel or something.
In fact, you get your car, take the video off, and go home.
Got my hands on
We all fucking watched you scoot up and fuck over.
Cash, this,
What did you just say?
Which one you want? Let's go!
I don't understand why you even did this to yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid. This shit make you look so stupid. Bro, what's wrong with him? Something wrong with this nigga, bro.
with someone like that, bro. This is a grown ass man, bro. That nigga fixing some shit, bro. You don't fuck with a grown ass man.
Might as well just keep it rolling at this point.
Oh, fuck. He just saw my story.
Oh, you stupid boy.
Ain't one of my hoes, so I don't care.
Yeah, she got hella niggas anyways. So what's going on now, man? What's up, DJ?
What's up, man?
Light skin, bro. This nigga swear he light skin. So look, bro, this is pretty much the end of the video, man. I thought I had another clip. It was another clip, bro. Tell me why that wasn't even it. Somebody came and picked bro up, body slammed him, bro. I thought I had it on camera, but checking the footage, I don't see it. I wish I did, but hey, this was a wild night. I wasn't expecting none of this to happen. I was thinking that they was about to give us the location for the car meet or whatever. Turns out these two niggas arguing, so we just like, oh snap. You know me, I'm over here vlogging or whatever. That's why I'm out there. I'm trying to get content anyway. I'm not out there getting content. I got no reason to be out there, nigga. Fuck that. What the fuck I look like being out here, man? I used to be out here instead of just being around, seeing what the cars are talking about, but you start seeing the same shit after a minute. Yeah, I was just out there for that, bro. Getting the content, and shit, I got some content for sure. But I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Just gonna be the outro right here, bro. So if y'all mess with this, please do me that favor. Hit that like button, comment something down below, subscribe if you new to the channel, and we're just gonna keep going up, bro. We definitely got lit bangers coming still on the way. I still got some stuff on tuck, bro. Man, January was a grinded month. Like I was knocking shit out. February, it's been okay. I've been getting a little bit of stuff, but pretty much it's just the catch up right now. I'm just getting out this footage that I had stacked because January was like it was back to back. But yeah, I already said the outro. Why am I still talking? I don't know. I'm out. Hey, shout out to Ant Live too, because bro, this video would have been like 30 minutes if I didn't edit it. But I edited it down. Now we at like 10 something minutes after this outro. Probably be about 12 minutes. So yeah, I'm out. It's my birthday, just waking up. What I'ma do today? I ain't doing shit, so I might just make a song today. Gotta hit my 22 push-ups before I start today. May 19th, a real one was born. It's a holiday.